everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into your credit card account on First Premier Bank. If you'd like to get access to your credit card account, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar at the top of the screen, type in www.mypremiercreditcard.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official website. Click on accept in the pop-up. Now, right at the home page at the right-hand corner, you should see a secure login portal. Go ahead and type in your login ID into the login ID text box. Make sure to type in your information correct. Head over to the next field and type in your password. Once you are done, you can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner of the box. In case you've forgotten your login ID or your password, you can click on this forgot username/password link and follow the instructions to look for them. If you've not set up an online access for your credit card account, then you can click on the set up online access link and follow the instructions. Finally, after you are done typing in your information correct and you're ready to log in, click on this login button, and that is how you should be able to log into your First Premier Bank credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you have any feedbacks for us, you can drop it down in the comment box below. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.